Okay, in this video we're going to talk about the ultrasonic sensor, which is essentially like a distance sensor where one of these little cylinders here shoots out ultrasonic signal, bounces into something, bounces back, the other one receives it. So the wiring for such a device is shown in the lower right here, where you've got ground and 5 volts, and it's labeled on the ultrasonic sensor. You'll be able to see it where the ground and the 5 volts are. Okay, the red and the black lines here. And then you've got a trigger and an echo. Basically, one runs the one that sends the sound out, and the other is basically a microphone where it comes back. So our trigger is going to be hooked to number 12, and our echo is going to be number 11. So you can see over here on the code, first of all, that there is a library. You're going to want to make sure you include the library, where if you don't remember, you go under Sketch, then you go to Include Library and add the zip file. Again, that should be in that thing that you've downloaded. Okay, so make sure you include that. Then basically we define again our trigger and our echo pin, the 11 and 12 is shown here. Okay, um, and then this sets up uh, a variable that is part of that library. You can just kind of follow that out like that. Okay. And then all we do to do the setup is we kind of set a clock. That's what that serial begin does. And then there's a short 1 second delay. Then it goes into the loop. Okay. And basically all it does is A is basically a distance. Okay. So it, again, with that internal library, will measure the distance. And then we do what's called serial print. And I'll show you exactly what that is. But basically, it will print out then what the distance is in centimeters on the display. It'll wait 1 second and take another display. So if you look here again, there's my 2 cylinders. If I start it, which it has started, I can go right up here to the serial monitor, and you'll start seeing some numbers be listed down here, right? So we got 40 centimeters, 29 centimeters, and what that's actually getting at is if I put something in front of it, say put it pretty close, you can see that that is 4 centimeters away. If I back it away a little bit, now you're seeing it's reading about 9 centimeters, which is the distance between the object and the sensor. Go back a little further, you can see I'm at 15 centimeters. Okay, so that's how this ultrasonic sensor works to measure how far away something is from it.